Mommy 5? Give me 5. Give me 5. Where are you going? She just went, oh, now give Mommy 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5, please. It's too interesting to her, huh? Oh, you're not seeing the video now, right?
Yeah. Esty, give me 5. Give me 5. Esty, say Abba.
Who's that? Who's that? Who's that?
Give me 5.
Who's that?
1 second.
Who's that?
Give me 5.
Nancy, what does Mahadran mean? Mahadran means?
One
Means
second.
very kosher.
Come on. Esty.
Give Abba 5. Give Abba 1.
Okay. Give me 5. Give me 5.
You want to put this on a necklace? Here, this will be your necklace. Now give Abba 5. Now take your hands off. Give Abba 5. Give Abba 5. Alright. You don't think, careful. You're so good. There's that good in you. Look at Abba. Look, Esther. Smile. You're so cute. You're so cute. Let's see how she stands up. Pretty impressive, isn't it? Give Mommy 5. Give me 5. So busy with that, you know. Oh. Who's this? Who's that? Say Abba. Say Abba. Who's that? Who's that? Who's that? That's who's that? No, who's that? Oh, my mama. Mama. Say Abba. Yay! Give Mommy 5. Okay, did you get it? Ready? Esther, give me 5. Esther, give Mommy 5. Esther? Look, Esther, give me 5. One time. Come on, give me 5 for the camera. Give me 5. Esther, look what I have. This is a treat for you.
Esther.
What did you find?
Who's there next to
Ask
Esty?
Esther to give you 5, because I'm doing the video. Say hi, bye.
Butcher, do you want to sing us a song you learned at school?
Yes, but where's Esther? Ow!
Or poems? Do you have a new poem?
A poem.
Yeah, but it's an easy poem. It's not even a poem.
What is it? Let's hear.
Humpty Dumpty sat on the wall. Humpty Dumpty got a great fall. All the king's horses and all the king's men couldn't Humpty together again.
Very good. Oh, cough. That cough is building up. You okay?
It's done? Good poem. How come Humpty Dumpty?
Hello? Everybody.
Okay, Esther,
Okay.
we're ready.
She's been doing this trick since I was in the car. Give me 5. Give me 5. Give me 5. Ow! Yeah, you're so strong.
We're waiting so
Maybe Ruben should ask her to give him 5.
Stand in front of her and ask her. You guys, let her. Wait, she's getting 2, you know, freaked out. Here.
Freaked out? I can make her smile. Go cookie. Yeah, go cookie.
Okay, Esther, give me 5. It's a little hard for her to give 5 when she's